So my first tip sounds basic, but people get this wrong pretty often, and that is to keep your business and your personal transactions separate. And we want to do that for a few reasons. The first is for compliance and just clean reporting. I actually have worked with two clients in the past few months that had thousands of personal transactions linked into their QuickBooks. And so it is overwhelming to go through that and separate it. It can be really confusing because sometimes you're having to dig through, wait, was that Amazon purchase actually for business or was it for personal? And it's really hard to figure that out months later if you have not kept up with keeping these items separate. But then a lesser known struggle of this is that it can actually cause some legal issues. So if you are an LLC and you have a formal entity created in your business, legal term is that you have pierced the corporate veil, which just means that when you have created your LLC, your business entity, it has created a veil or separation so that you're keeping your business and your personal assets separate. And so you're not able to be sued by the things in the LLC. But if you start to mix your business and your personal too much, they can't really figure out legally, well, where is this separation because you're not acting like you're separated. So that is actually hopefully a good enough reason to actually keep things separate. Now, if you once in a while are out and you use the wrong card on accident or you don't have the card with you, that's not what I'm talking about. It's the thousands of transactions type of thing where you're always using your business card for your groceries or things like that. So the very first step is go open a separate bank account for your business. As much as you can, flow all of your income, all of your expenses through that business account, and really try to keep your personal expenses and personal income separate from that. This will also help you make better decisions because, like the clients that have had it all tangled together, it's really hard to know how your business is actually doing. And it can be really confusing when you're going to make decisions on, well, how much am I paying myself or how much am I actually spending on office supplies? Well, if everything from Amazon is all mixed together, that is really hard to understand. And it can be really expensive to hire help because we're having to sift through all the thousands of transactions and taking a lot more time going back and forth. So hopefully that is clear. Keep your personal and your business separate for all of those reasons. And especially if you're just starting out, if you can do this from the beginning, it will be so much easier.